Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to creating a moving edit on CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just go open the CapCut application until you get this looks, and after that you just need to go click new project. In this new project I would like to use the stock videos that provided by the CapCut, and I think I would like to have a this. Okay, and after that just click add. And I already have this, but then I would like to change the ratio first. Okay, by click this ratio, and I would like to use this half 9 to 16, and now I just need to adjusting the position by click the clip and pinch with 2 of your finger until fulfilling all of the ratio. And after you're done, just need to go click done. And now let's have a check first how it's going. Okay, now I would like to make this video kind of like moving, have a moving by click this keyframe with the symbols, and after that you just need to go find out the point that you want to stop here and go at the keyframe, and in this point you just need to zoom and adjusting the positions of it here and have a test. Okay, and in this point let's break into here, add another keyframe and adjusting the positions again, and have a test again. Right there, and let's add the final keyframe, adjusting the positions again, and have a test again. So you can see now my video here is moving. It's just following the frame of the face in the video. So that's the way how to creating a moving edit on your CapCut application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.